Morning friend, let's talk about daily commodity commentary and technical level. Yesterday we have seen that gold and silver prices closed on a flat note. However, international market currently gold and silver trading on a downside trend. For today we are expecting a negative trend may be seen in gold and silver prices on the back of increasing in dollar and recovering from the coronavirus cases. So this will impact a negative for gold and silver prices. For today we are expecting a negative trend may be seen in gold and silver. For today, MCX gold support at 48,700, resistance 49,500. Silver support at 70,300, resistance 72,200. We are recommending sell in gold and silver for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have seen that copper prices closed on a 0.27%. However, zinc price increased by 0.13%. We have seen a sideways trend, mixed trend in all the base metal. For today we are expecting a sideways to downtrend as expected yesterday. Copper support at 734, resistance 753. Zinc support at 234, resistance 242. Lead support at 167, resistance 175. Nickel support at 1315, resistance 1346. Aluminium support at 187, resistance 195. The trend of all the base metal are negative, sideways to down, so trader can go for short in the base metal for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the crude oil and energy segment. Yesterday, crude oil prices closed on a flat note and around 5090. The trend of crude oil is also a sideways. For today, crude oil support at 4980, resistance 5180. The trend of crude oil is also mixed. So for today, we are expecting a negative trend or some correction may be seen as prices are trading on a overbought zone. So this will impact a negative and trader can go for sell in crude oil prices for intraday. It has a strong support at 4980, resistance 5180. So we are recommending sell in crude oil for intraday perspective. And we have noticed that Iran is going to increase their production after the sanction clear. So this will impact also a negative. So trader can go for short in crude oil for intraday perspective. We hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you.